Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to reset or recover Skrill account password. So if you want to reset or recover your Skrill account password, first of all you have to open up your Skrill application. And after opening your Skrill application, tap on login. And after tapping on login, now you can find reset password option. So before resetting your password, you have to enter your email address. So after entering your email address, now tap on reset password. And then again tap on reset password. After tapping on reset password, now you should receive an email in your email account. So I have received an email from Skrill account. After opening that email, just tap on reset password. And after tapping on reset password, now you can choose a new password, and then you have to re-enter the same password in the second blank. So after choosing a new password for your account, just tap on submit. And after tapping on submit, here you can see you have successfully resetted and recovered your Skrill account password. So this is how you can reset or recover your Skrill account password. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.